Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a complete guide to the Snapbridge app by Nikon. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography vlogs every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the full review and working of the Snapbridge app by Nikon. And this app is available for all Nikon cameras that have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. But I'm going to show you the working as per my Nikon Coolpix B500. The rules will be the same, you just need to adapt them as per your camera. The Snapbridge app is very useful to easily and effectively transfer images from your camera to your phone and also operate your camera via your phone. So now let's dive into its working.
First, we have to download the app. Just search Snapbridge on the Play Store or App Store and you'll find it. Also, I'll put its link down below in the description for you guys to check out. Install. Here I've installed it.
You will need a strong Wi-Fi for this app to work smoothly.
I go to the app, allow, obviously as if I have a choice. This is gonna take some time. Accept the agreement, again as if I have a choice. Start. Welcome screen. So let's connect our camera. The app wants to turn on Bluetooth. See, so many cameras by Nikon are compatible with Snapbridge. Now I'm gonna take my camera up, go to the menu, network menu, connect to smart device. If your option comes disabled, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. If not, go to Bluetooth, enable it. Anyway, connect to smart device. Okay. Back to the app. Select Coolpix range or see where your camera name comes. Enable GPS. Okay, I'll do that. I'll touch my phone to my camera. Select my camera name. Now wait. Press OK on the camera to authenticate the code. You can choose to auto link, but I won't do that now. We'll do it later as and when required so that it doesn't drain away all my battery. Pairing complete. Yes. Some instructions pop up. In camera, I press OK to sync the location and then OK to sync the clock.
First, I'll transfer images from my camera to my phone.
Tap on download. Now I have to switch to Wi-Fi. OK, wait again. Here I have all my images from my camera. Tap on any one and download. It will ask you original or 2 megapixel resolution. That's up to you guys. I download in 2 MP because I want to save my time, space and battery. And here is my image ready to share. Cancel Wi-Fi. Okay. I can share it wherever I want to. Let me take it to Snapseed. I can take it to any app guys and do whatever I want with it. Similarly, I can download videos. Just select and download. Another way to bring images to my phone is to go to the playback button, then turn on auto link on the phone, then go to the menu, mark for upload and select the images you want in your phone by pressing the up key. I'll select these 2 images, and here are my 2 images that I selected for transfer.
Images will be saved in a compressed resolution of 2 megapixels. Movies cannot be transferred in such a way.
To save images as you click, go to the network menu, send while shooting. Yes. Select the photos you want to upload. I'll let this be default. Now click auto link on the phone. Start clicking with your camera and my image automatically appears on my phone.
Here also movies cannot be auto transferred.
If you go to Bluetooth, send while off, turn it on, the camera will keep transferring even when the camera is turned off. By pressing the gear icon, I can add more cameras and there are many options here. Cancel for now, I just wanted to show you. Now I'll try some remote photography. I tap on it, enable Wi-Fi. Okay, wait again. Check this out, man, just check it out. Press T to zoom in, W to zoom out. It shows the EXIF data here. I press the gear button. The size of the image, let's keep it 2 MB only. I can set a timer if needed. Live view can be turned off also, but I guess I'll need it. And I click. Check it out, man. To exit remote, you can hit cancel on the phone or press menu in camera.
While using remote photography, image uploading will be stopped. So make sure all your images are properly backed up before you start your remote photography. And if at any point of time you find your camera not connecting to the phone,
go to the gear icon, hit forget camera and start the pairing process once again. Or disable Bluetooth on the camera and try again.
Or simply exit the app and relaunch it.
Last part of the app, Nikon image space, start. Enter my login password. When I bought my Nikon B500, I got access to Nikon image space, 20 GB disk space. So check if you have access or if you can create an account, login. So my images will be automatically uploaded to the drive, and that's it.
So guys, this was my guide to the Snapbridge app by Nikon, and this app is very useful guys to take your precious images from your camera to your phone and also operate your camera via your phone. And if you found my video to be useful, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which tutorials you want to see next on my channel, or if you have any questions regarding the Snapbridge app, you can leave them down below guys. And share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous B500 tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.